I made 2.2K today, and I'm going to break it all down for you guys across my Top Step accounts. So the ending P&L today was 429, and that's across all XFAs. They're all copied. And I took a quick break at the beginning of December, and so now I'm coming back. I've traded 4 days since the start of the year, and you can see I was up 239, 181, 170, and 430. So I'm up about 5K across all the accounts in just 4 trading days. And I just want to show you guys exactly how I did it because I was done trading today after almost an hour and a half after the open. I made my money and I was done. So if we're looking at ES, we have previous day VWAP that's used as resistance. So I was actually looking for longs today. And so just a little bit on why I'm trading here, like how I'm thinking about it. So I was looking for longs today because we held the 6,000 level yesterday. As you can see, this is the 6,000 level. So I'm looking for longs, but then the jolts, or no, not jolts, just job news comes in. And the job news sends us lower almost 30 points in just a minutes. And now I know, okay, I got to flip my bias to short. And you can see I have a live broker account. So I also trade this, and that's where executions will be, but it's the same trade across the Top Step and my live account. So instead of feeling FOMO and trying to sell at the bottom of the day here, like this is the low of the day reaction from news. And for me, all of this is a no trade for my personal strategy. I don't know how, or not that I don't know how, but I just don't prefer to catch that momentum trade where, yeah, you could put a low of the day up here, take that candle, you're buying at the low of the day. That's not what I need to do. So, and right here, I personally stay out of trades if we have news at 10 a.m. East Coast time. I prefer to trade after 10 a.m. There's so many trades, bad guys, like you just don't need to be worried about one missing an entry right at the open. There will always be another trade. So I end up entering short here on the break of below day VWAP after we get a nice retest of day, stop the last structure, and I get my 15 points. Now, the reason I didn't push this trade for further, for example, was I was adding in. I was adding in on this kind of slow. So I actually ended up doubling my position size on Top Step. And that's why it was such a trade where if I had less contracts on, I might have tried to push it farther to make more P&L. But I'm really working on adding in and just taking a piece of the move and being happy with it. This trade came on West Coast time 7:30, 1 hour after the open. I was done trade 7:38. 6 minutes, boom, P&L day of the year. And I just want to run over a few lessons because you can see the add-ins here. It comes out to a couple trades because I added in. But here's the markup, Top Step X loading up on this pullback. My thesis behind it is just a sell-off play after the news. We reject the daily VWAP and break the low of day anchor. VIX is at 8%, market's bleeding. So I just want to talk a little bit about the trade, the mindset during the trade, because as I'm adding in, I ended up scaling. So as I'm adding in here, my original take profit was at 80, but then I pulled up the take profit because this was the PL that I needed to make to get what I needed for for the day. And I just want to cover that this was maybe a poor habit on my part. It was trading the P&L and not trading the price. I missed this next candle, which was a 7-point candle. That would have been a healthy addition. But such life. I didn't feel any FOMO. Didn't tilt and just kept going. Now here it's a great trend day because I was watching and here's a lower high, and then another lower high right before we start falling off, and then we just don't break the structure for the rest of the day. Just continue to sell off. We can see at the end of the day here, we're down bad. Nvidia is down 6%, Amazon's down 2.5, Tesla down 4. If you guys were long it, I'd ask why. What made you consider longs today? Are you a trend trader? And let me know in Twitter, on YouTube, or whatever. If you are a counter trend trader, what do you use as information? Like, how do you know that this is going to reverse? I feel like that's a difficult thing to trade. Like, it's like you're just catching selling market. So overall, quick scalp today, and I'm gonna be doing these reviews every day for you guys.